Environmental chemistry 3 marks questions. 1. What do you understand by mist? Mists are produced by particles of spray liquids and condensation of vapors in air. Smoke. They are very small soot particles produced by burning of organic matter. Fumes. They are condensed vapors. Fumes of metal are very well known things of this type. Very well known particulates. 2. Define the term pesticides. What are 3 categories of pesticides? Answer. Pesticides are substances which are used to kill or block the reproductive process of unwanted organisms. The 3 main categories of pesticides are: 1. Insecticides. These are used to control insects and curb diseases and protect crops. 2. Herbicides. These are used to kill weeds. Example: sodium chlorate, NaClO3, and sodium aracinate, that is Na3ASO3. 3. Fungicides. These are used to check the growth of fungi. Example: methyl mercury. 3. What do you mean by ozone hole? What are its consequences? Answer. Depletion of ozone hole creates some sort of holes in the blanket of ozone which surround it. This is known as ozone hole. 1. With depletion of ozone layer, UV radiation filters into the troposphere, which leads to aging of skin, cataracts, sunburn, etc. 2. By killing many of the phytoplanktons, it can damage fish productivity. 4. What are harmful effects of photochemical smog and how can they be controlled? Answer. Photochemical smog causes eye irritation. 2. It damages plants. The leaves develop a metallic sheen. 3. The rubber on exposure to photochemical smog loses its elasticity and becomes flexible and brittle. Inflexible. Usually catalytic converters are used in the automobiles, which prevent the release of nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons to the atmosphere. Certain plants, example Pinus, Juniperus, Quercus, Pyrus vitis, can metabolize nitrogen oxide and therefore their plantation could help in this matter. 5. Give 3 examples in which green chemistry has been applied. Answer. 1. In dry cleaning, use of liquefied CO2 in place of tetrachloroethene, that is Cl2C double bond CCl2. 2nd. In bleaching of paper using H2O2 in place of chlorine. 3rd. In the manufacture of chemicals like ethanol using environment-friendly chemicals and conditions.